Hey traders, Mike here with the watch list video for Wednesday, May 14th. The SPY gapped up again, and I mean, it's just kind of up in space right now. It's really far from the moving averages. I feel like things need to come in. I try to highlight at least one trade each video before I go into what we're watching. Let me first put this up. If you're new in chat, please read that, so you can pause the video to do that. The one I want to highlight today, not a very big money mover, but the reason I like it, I think there's a good lesson. So MVST, we noticed it had popped early, right? It had a really strong run early on big relative volume. So let's zoom in a little bit. On this pullback, I called the fives buy zone. A lot of you probably noticed that is a retest of the earlier. There's the earlier high, right? Then it pulled back, broke out, retested the earlier high, VWAP, the 520, meaning the 5-minute candle 20 period moving average, and the whole number 3, everything converging right there. I actually got filled at 303, but it ended up going to 347. Percentage-wise, that's pretty damn good, but the stop was like a dime below. So I love the low risk. I love all the things converging. That's the kind of setups I really love on a pullback play, and that's the extent of my highlights for the day because I've got somewhere to be, so I'm going to make the video real quick. By the way, MVST does go on the list for tomorrow with that nice breakout. WRD. Love the volume here, love the volume here, and then today I could just call a rest day. We'll see, but it definitely stays on watch. OKLO, I believe they're reporting in after hours, so this may not be worth it in the morning, but I like the little mini breakout there, and the other stocks in that space are strong, so it goes on watch. XHLD, nice pop. I think somebody said, rumor going around, or maybe it's fact, that a Japanese company owns like 78% of this, right? Or something. So anyway, nice volume and a pretty strong close. Definitely worth having on watch tomorrow. ACHR, nice volume. It's got a couple catalysts still on the chart. I always look to the left and say right there and right there are two little price breaks that could yield higher prices if that happens. RKT, Citron put out a positive piece on them, and it had really big volume. Not a great looking chart, right? But it's still worth having on watch. Maybe there's some follow through. QBTS had a really nice run. Now we got a couple red days on much lower volume, and it's holding up near the highs of that run. So that one's interesting. Tesla's got to go on watch. Really nice move today. FNKO goes, let me type that right. FNKO, just you have a 2-day high there, right at 524, 525-ish. Maybe you get a 3rd-day play. SMR, same space as OKLO, and it had a nice breakout today, and they actually have earnings already behind them. They just had earnings, so definitely worth. That was yesterday after hours, I believe. CRWV, that's the full chart. That's as long as it's been trading, and today it broke to new all-time highs. Nobody would have expected that back here when it was at 33 something, hitting all-time lows. So just kind of a little window into how strong things have been. LMND is my kind of sleeper pick. It had nice volume back here. I think this was on earnings, and then we kind of broke it yesterday but sold off, and it's curling right back up. It's not beautiful AI play, but I'm going to watch it. BKKT, nice little mini breakout today. It's a thin one, but I'm going to watch it. I like the looks of the chart. Can't type this symbol to save my life. It's Big 5 Sporting Goods, BGFV, and a nice pop today. Could have a follow through tomorrow. And then I'm going to put Solar Edge, SEDG, on watch because it had a really nice run, then a reversal day, now another red day. Could be ready to turn back up tomorrow. And part of the reason I'm putting that out there is look at First Solar. On fire today. All right, anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys in pre-market tomorrow, and we'll work together, build a gapper list to add to this one. All right, have a great night.